How to create your Facebook page event. First of all, head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are on your Facebook page. Tap on this 3 horizontal line right here. Scroll down and you'll get to see the option of events. Tap on it. It will show you all of the events that are available on Facebook. As we're looking for and how to create one, tap on this plus icon at the top. First of all, you can upload the photo or the templates for the event right here. If you want to upload the photo, tap on upload. It will land you on your gallery. Choose the picture that you want to upload. Once the picture has been uploaded, right here enter the name of the event. Select the time and date for the event. And then tap on done. You need to enter some of the information right here. Tap on is it in person or virtual. If the event is happening in person, select the location of the event. Let me just randomly select the location from here. Once it is done, right here in this section, you can enter some of the details of the events. Once it is done, you can also invite the people from WhatsApp group by tapping on this icon. And when you are done filling up all of the information of the event, tap on create event at the bottom. Your event has been created successfully. It will show you different platforms to invite the people for the events. Let me just tap on this icon for now. So there you go, this is the event that you have created on Facebook page. And now if you go back and head over to event section, you'll get to see your event that you have created. So that's all for today and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.